Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Afrina Diva Sartika. In this video, I will tell you about allegories and symbols. Allegories. What is allegories? Allegory is the expression of truth or generalization about human existence by means of symbolic fictional figures and their action. It encompasses such forms as fable and parable. A metaphor, broadly, is figurative language. Specifically, it is a figure of speech in which a word or phrase, literally denoting one kind of object or idea, is used in place of another to suggest a likeness or analogy between them. How does allegories work? First is allegories use symbols that work together to develop a deeper meaning. 2. Allegories are often intended to teach moral lessons or make comment about godness and depravity, evilness, or so. Two types of allegory. First is fables. Has been around for thousands of years as part of an oral storytelling tradition present in all cultures. Fables use animals and objects as characters to tell a story and deliver a lesson. By using animals to represent humans, storytellers are able to indirectly criticize human behavior. However, since fables tend to be short and have a quickly identifiable lessons, they are of the more straightforward variety of allegory. 2 is parable, part of an oral storytelling tradition and can be found just as far back in history as the fable. Like the fable, the parable is another type of allegorical story that delivers a clear message about human behavior in the hopes of getting people to act differently. It differs from the fable in that it uses people as characters rather than animals. Accessibility. Allegories use symbolic and metaphorical storytelling to convey complex ideas in a more accessible and engaging manner. This makes them suitable for a wide range of audience, including those who might find direct discourse and abstract concept challenging to understand. The example of allegories there is The Fairy Queen by Edmund Spenser, Animal Farm by George Orwell, The Snitches by Dr. Seuss. The next slide is about symbol. What is symbolism? A symbol is something that stands for itself, but also something larger than itself. A symbol is a person, object, place, event, or action that suggests more than its literal meaning. Function of symbol. Delivers depth of meaning. Symbol enrich poetry with deeper meanings than those seen in a literal way. Takes the reader into a deeper experience. Symbol helps the reader to connect with the poem emotionally and intellectually. The third is convey complex feelings or concepts. Symbols allow poets to convey complex ideas or feelings that are difficult to express directly. The type of symbol. There is two types. The first is conventional symbol, something that is generally recognized to represent a certain idea. The second is contextual or literary symbol, go beyond traditional meanings, reflecting the speaker's internal state of mind. So you can see in this slide, there is example of symbol. There is animals. Dove means peace, purity, or simplicity. Fox means slimness or cleverness, and more. And colors, red means love and intensity, blue means calmness, serenity, and depth, green means growth, renewal, and nature, yellow means brightness, joy, and positivity. And next is times. Morning means purity, the beginning, the time of God's blessing. And after that, you can see in the slide, right? We can read. And the next is season. There is spring means birth, new beginning, and summer mean maturity, knowledge, autumn mean decline, growing old, and winter mean death, sleep, stagnation. Difference, differences, differences between allegories and symbol in poetry. An allegory is a narrative that uses characters and events to represent abstract ideas, while symbolism uses symbols to represent a deeper meaning. Allegories are longer and more complex than symbolic representation, while symbolism focuses more on individual objects or concepts. Allegories are written to teach a moral lesson, while symbolism can be used in any medium to convey a deeper meaning. And this is the references that we are used for this slide. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.